Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is your friendly neighborhood trader Rangan. I hope you are doing well. This is the monthly reading for Virgo or Kanya Rashi for the month of September 2025. This is a general reading based on collective energies, so it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can check out the reading for your other signs. If you don't know how to check your other signs, you can check out my previous video on zodiac signs. Link is in the description below. Also, to stick to the end of the video to know your monthly oracle guidance card for this month. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So let's get on with the reading for Virgo or Kanya Rashi for the month of September. Sun Moon Rising. So Virgo. Yeah. Overall energies seems to be of some sort of ending. We will look into it, but yeah, there is definitely some sort of ending involved. We'll go deep into it. So the energy or the theme for your month is the Emperor. So this is possibly you or a person in your life, but most probably it's you. आप आपका जो energies है September में is a very strong and powerful kind of energy. You were kind of in your aura. You were very much holding your ground. आप बहुत ज़्यादा authority के साथ है लाइफ में in this month. बहुत ज़्यादा प्रिंसिपलिस्टिक है आप कोई चीज़ लेके आप लाइक यू आर वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट अबाउट समथिंग इन लाइफ एंड ऑल्सो आई सी यू बीइंग इन योर ओन पावर बेसिकली सीधी बात यू आर इन योर पावर दिस मंथ बट the other energy, the energy that is kind of surrounding you or the energy around you is of an ending, is of transformation. So definitely something is going to end. कोई चीज़ है जिसका लाइक टाइम आ चुका है खत्म होने के लिए, जिसमें लाइक कोई चीज़ है जिसका पर्पस फुलफिल हो चुका है आपके लाइफ में, वो चीज़ खत्म होने वाला है. इट्स नॉट यूजुअली अ बैड एनर्जी, द एनर्जी ऑफ द डेथ कार्ड. नाम से डर लगता है बट द डेथ इजंट ऑलवेज फिजिकल डेथ. इट्स अ डेथ ऑफ कुड बी ऑफ एनीथिंग, एन इमोशन, एन आइडिया, एन आउटलुक. But there is going to be an end of something. There is going to be completion of something, as well as there is also transformation with the death card. So कोई चीज़ खत्म होने वाला है and वो चीज़ आपके ऊपर बहुत एक strong impact होगा वो चीज़ का आपके ऊपर, and that is going to lead you into transformation. We will get into those energies, but first let's look at the other cards. So for your career and finances, very good energies, very happy, wish fulfilling kind of energies. आप satisfied हैं आपके career और work related चीज़ों को लेके. अगर आप student हैं, overall you were satisfied with whatever is going on in your academic pursuits, as well as like अगर आप if you have been meaning to get something like some sort of promotion, some sort of rewards, कोई चीज़ था जो आपको लाइक चाहिए था वर्क रिलेटेड, या कोई चीज़ था जो आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे कि आपको मिले, आपका इच्छा था वो कि आप पाए उसको, definitely is gonna happen with the 9 of cups. So good energies, very happy, fulfilling kind of energies. No issues when it comes to your career and finances. Now when it comes to your love and relationships, chance is coming your way. आपको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलने वाला है टू टेक थिंग्स टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. वो आप ले या ना ले वो आपके ऊपर है, बट चांस आपको आएगा. ये जो चांस आपके पास आएगा, अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगा, दिस इज काइंड ऑफ यूनिवर्स giving you that opportunity, giving you the chance to uplift yourself or to like kind of get yourself into the next level, to make changes in your life, to get out of the old baggages and old emotions नॉट सो गुड एनर्जीज जो आपको नहीं चाहिए लाइफ में रिलेटेड टू लव एंड रिलेशनशिप्स, वो एनर्जीज से आपको निकलने का एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगा। आप ले या ना ले, कंप्लीटली आपके ऊपर है। गुड कार्ड ओवरऑल। Now again, when it comes to your health, I don't see much improvement of things. I see that you are confused, you lack clarity on something. आपको helplessness का एक feeling है, आपको लग रहा है कि क्या करूँ क्या नहीं health related issues को लेके, and वो जो mental stress है वो आपके पास रहेगा। आपको बहुत like घुटन सा feeling आएगा ना, होता है ना कि क्या करूँ क्या नहीं, मेरे पास ऑप्शंस नहीं है कुछ करने के लिए, तो वैसा फीलिंग्स आपको वैसा लगेगा आपको हेल्थ रिलेटेड इश्यूज में इन सितंबर। बट दिस इज मेनली लाइक सेल्फ इम्पोज काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी। सो आपने काइंड ऑफ आपके ऊपर खुद ये एनर्जीज ये फीलिंग्स डाले हैं, आपको खुद आपे खुद काइंड ऑफ आप लाइक मेंटली आपने वो चीज़ अपने अंदर काइंड ऑफ सेट कर लिया है कि मैं कुछ कर नहीं पाऊंगा, मेरे पास कुछ हेल्प नहीं है, या लाइक क्या करूँ क्या नहीं, वैसा कंफ्यूजन जो है ना वो आपने खुद आपके ऊपर लाया है। सो टू गेट आउट ऑफ दिस यू नीड टू गेट मोर क्लैरिटी, यू नीड टू गेट मोर connected to the subconscious, more connected to your to the divine. And the moment you get the clarity, the moment you know take that whole mental energy out of the picture, आपको ऑप्शंस मिलेंगे टू गेट आउट ऑफ थिंग्स। आपको लाइक यू विल गेट अ वे आउट ऑफ दिस एंटायर issue that you have with your health. So do take care of your health and consult medical professionals if you have to this month. अगर आपको लगे mentally stress रहेगा, I understand, but there is also a way out. Just हल्का सा फोकस कीजिए अपने एनर्जीज को और देखिए कि what are the possible options. Is it actually that bad? लाइक जितना आपने सोचा है उतना खराब एक्चुअली है कि नहीं, वो चीज़ को आप समझिए देखिए, एंड यू विल डेफिनेटली फाइंड अ सोल्यूशन टू दिस। नाउ द अदर एनर्जीज दैट इज देयर अगेन अ लैक ऑफ क्लैरिटी, very strong energies of a lack of clarity, confusion, and disconnected from your subconscious. And also I see you not taking much action. You are very much like जैसा है चीज़ वैसे ही चलने दो, उसको चेंज नहीं करना है, कुछ करना नहीं है उसको लेकर, वैसा टाइप का एनर्जीज है। आई डोंट सी मच इनिशिएटिव व्हेन इट कम्स टू you this month. Even health wise I don't see you taking much action or taking any major step, major change this month. The other energies that is there is हार्ड वर्क तो आप कर रहे हैं व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर करियर एंड फाइनेंसेस, एंड वही हार्ड वर्क लाइक आई सेड यू आर गोना गेट थिंग्स, यू आर गोना गेट अ विश फुलफिलमेंट काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी, बट उसके लिए और थोड़ा पुश करना पड़ेगा आपको। लाइक यू आर ऑलमोस्ट देयर, राइट? यू आर ऑलमोस्ट एट 90% ऑफ अटेनिंग दैट सक्सेस, अटेनिंग दिस रिकॉग्निशन. You just need to push yourself a bit, like a 5-10% more to finally get to the final line. So overall, yeah, I won't say good like bad energies, very mixed kind of energies, but you do need to get a lot of clarity on a lot of things this month. Now the energy that you should focus upon is the Ten of Swords. So definitely an ending is gonna come your way. It's just the universe's way of telling you to embrace yourself. खुद को प्रिपेयर कर लीजिए जो भी एंडिंग आपकी तरफ आने वाला है ये मंथ, because see, this ending is definitely gonna come your way. There is like no way to stop it. The best way to handle such situation is prepare yourself mentally. खुद को like समझा दीजिए कि things are gonna end, but the things that are gonna end are gonna are happening for the better, so that you can finally get out of certain things, so that you can move on in your life. क्योंकि जो चीज़ खत्म होने वाला है, दिस हैज रन इट्स कोर्स, इसमें और कुछ बचा नहीं है. So this is the reason it's ending. And the moment this ends, new things can begin, new things can start, you can start afresh. So although there is pain involved, but after this pain, definitely there is a new beginning, there is new energies, new vibrations coming your way this month. So yeah, let's look at what energies or what messages or advice is coming for you this month from the oracle cards. Yep, you get guidance. When you make divine intelligence your foundation, you finally have a fixed star to follow. So you need guidance, and this guidance is gonna come for you from the universe, from the divine. Because without guidance and without surrendering yourself to the divine, to the universe, uh, आप ये situation को face नहीं कर पाएंगे. So have faith, trust in the divine, and seek the universe for their guidance, and you will definitely be able to handle the situations more efficiently, more positively and more strongly. So yeah, overall good, and like I won't say good, okay, mixed energies, but definitely there is transformation and new energies coming your way. Just try to get more clarity on things. You need a lot of clarity. There's a lot of confusion uh, this month mentally, I would say. So yeah, try to get more clarity. And yeah, that would be all for your reading, Virgo. If you like the reading, do like the video and leave a comment to claim the reading. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good day and bye.